Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to create an account on AliExpress. If you want to create an AliExpress account, you can do it either in the app or on the website, whichever you prefer. The app can be a bit easier to navigate, but the website is also very accessible. Once you're on either platform, look for the sign up or register option. On the website, it's usually in the top right corner. Tap or click that, and if you don't have an account yet, choose register. You'll have a few options to sign up. The simplest is using your email. Enter it, then check your inbox because AliExpress will send a verification code. Enter that code back on AliExpress to verify your account. If you prefer, you can also sign up using Facebook, Google, Apple, or Twitter accounts. It's just a matter of tapping continue and linking your account. After that, you can enter your details like your name, email, and password, then complete your profile. Don't forget to add your shipping address, postal code, and phone number under My Account. You can also set a preferred payment method so it's ready when you want to make your first order. That's it, your AliExpress account is all set and ready to go. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.